How to claim Hamster Kombat token airdrop. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're showing you how to claim Hamster Kombat token airdrop, and I'm going to address a question that many of my subscribers have asked me in the comments section of my videos. The question is, do I need a gas fee to withdraw or receive my Hamster token into my Ton wallet? Now, the answer to this question is actually no. You don't need a gas fee to receive your Hamster token into your Ton wallet. In this video, I'll show you what you actually need. Before we dive in, make sure to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to join this channel if you're seeing this channel for the first time. It really helps, and don't forget to like this video as well. Now, typically, airdrops require a gas fee before depositing tokens into your wallet. However, for receiving your Hamster token into your Ton wallet, a gas fee is not necessary. For Hamster Kombat, here's what you need to do. First, you need to connect your wallet. Ensure that you've connected your wallet to your Hamster Kombat token, just as shown here. Once Hamster Kombat distributes its tokens, they'll appear in your wallet. Now, let's move to the Ton wallet to see how this works. Right now, my Hamster Kombat balance is 0. Once the tokens are distributed, they'll appear here. Once the Hamster Kombat tokens appear on your Ton wallet, click on it. For example, let's say this USDT is our Hamster Kombat token. Click on Swap. Select Receive and choose to convert it to Ton. Enter the amount of Hamster Kombat you received. Now let's clarify what gas fees are. Gas fees are charges your wallet incurs for performing transactions or transfers. However, for simply receiving your Hamster Kombat tokens, you don't need to worry about gas fees. Once you've swapped your Hamster Kombat tokens to Ton, you can transfer them to an exchange platform like KuCoin or Bybit to convert them to your local currency. So to recap, you don't need a gas fee to receive your Hamster Kombat tokens in your Ton wallet. And this is how to claim Hamster Kombat token airdrop. If you have any questions about Ton Keeper, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.